How to fix CapCut file not supported on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix CapCut file not supported on Android phone. First, just open the Play Store and then type here video converter here, and then select this one. Wait, where is it? This one here. Click on it and then just download it. Now open it and click allow. And now just go to your gallery and then select any video you want, the video that you want to fix, like this one, and then click share. And now select the video converter here, here is it. Click on it and now just click convert and click start now. And now just wait. And that's it. Your problem must be fixed. Now just go to CapCut and try again. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.